How to log into your Temu account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Temu app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Temu and download it. Once you download the app, launch it. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. At the very top, you will see the option of Sign in or Register. Click on that option. Now from here, you can easily access your account. Using any of these options, you can easily log into your account. If you have created your Temu account using Google, Facebook or Apple ID, click on these options and just for that, you will be logged into your account. Or also you can directly enter your email or phone number to log into your account. For this video, I'm gonna directly enter my email address. Once you type in, click on Continue. Now type in the password. After you fill this, click on Sign In. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Temu account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.